Hello guys, good morning. I'm here in the school. First day normal time, normal school today. First day of school. Last week is only orientation. Now is the normal class. Yeah, my classmate. My other classmate is not here yet. And our teacher is not here yet. Kuya, you already have books? Huh? Nursing assistant. Certified nursing assistant. CNA. Put CNA. Kailangan yata talagang dumaan sa ganun kasi dapat caregiver lang ang anuhin ko. Parang
ang iba kasi caregiver dapat mauna.
parang kailangan dumaan talaga ng ganun.
25 no?
Oo, 25.
I don't know the trainer's name.
You already have books?
Yeah, book.
You already paid last time?
Yeah, big book.
They are my classmates. Say hi.
Naka-live si ate
You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm doing vlogging.
Oh, you're
But I don't have data now. Only I'm
Kung
taking.
may kita ka na, te?
Ha?
Kumikita ka na sa kay Meta?
Sentimo?
Ha?
Only sentimo.
Anong kuan?
What's your
Kailangan anong process ng ganyan, te? Kailangan marami kang viewers. Ilan dapat ang viewers
Ini-invite
para
ni Mita pagka si Mita yung Facebook mismo mag-invite sa'yo. I-open mo yung professional dashboard mo. Tapos pag na-open mo na yon, mayroon ka ng ads on Reels. Tapos pag na-monetize ka na, makikita mo monthly na nakaano doon kung
magkano
magkano.
na nakita mo?
Ay naku, ngayon nga bumaba, buti nga nung last year may $1 something ako. Ngayon sentimo lang.
Ayaw.
Hindi nga ako makabuong $100 eh. Minimum $100. How are you, kuya?
Hey, good.
Where did you work? What work?
Kalidia.
What
Office boy.
kind? Office boy.
Change the maybe better job.
Yeah, I'm studying also this one because I'm planning to apply Canada.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good.
I pray that God will grant my wish.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, because I have a friend, the leader of our church. She's in London already, and my former employer, first employer here in UAE, they already in Canada. I told them to find me a sponsor. Yeah.
Good for your friend.
I pray that God will grant
Mother,
me.
where's your book? Can I see?
Yeah.
Our teacher is not here yet. In the office, they don't have people there.
4 books.
4 books?
Total. Level 1, level 2.
This one, how much?
Bye guys.
You buy already
We need to
150?
start our class.
I want 20.